Another day, another Airbnb. I'm about to make some frozen food. Let's keep all my shit in the Amazon. This week, it really is just bowl. So the same shit. Bowl. This one. Something with my salad. It's gonna fucking keep box. I'm gonna do these other box where you're gonna salad. This is why I keep my shit in bags, and this is why I try and keep most of my shit in my room. Yes, I'm slightly annoyed. Like, I don't even feel comfortable putting the open salad back in the fridge now. Because if I move the cake, then I'm gonna put it in. Listen to this. Is that weird? I'm gonna put this in the bottom. I've also learned on this journey that avocados should be treated like a fruit. You don't necessarily eat or take a few bites of a fruit and then save some for later. And so why do we do it with avocado? Especially me, since I'm always trying to gain weight or just in general stay filled. Why am I only eating half? How's it going?
Good, yourself?
Pretty good. It's gonna be a lot of food, but I got the whole day, so I feel like I should just start with this and come back for this. This is already made. I could just keep it in the bowl though. We'll be back. I just want to say, as character building as this whole process has been, I cannot wait to share these on social media, on TikTok, because as easy as I can cry and break down, and trust me, Lord knows I have, a bitch does this. Like, yo, survival 101. Like, could y'all share how y'all make y'all salads? Either like on a limited budget, on a limited time, limited space, because this salad right now is popping. Granted, the bougie bee. Would love some olive oil, definitely some tomatoes and some onions. But this is mixed greens, hemp seeds, sunflower seeds, avocado, and garlic and butter croutons. And I gotta say, I'm living my best life right now. Like, I got my bowl with me. Shorty a little thick. And she feeding me. And it feels good. It feels nourishing. Lord knows. I was hungry. Lord knows I would love to spice this up 1,000 different ways. But something so simple, so organic. It is wholeheartedly feeding my soul right now. And these are the little reminders, like, I got this. I want to say I does this, but I really don't want to do this anymore. But I got this. Like, fuck your dollar menu, if you feel me.